Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how you can add multiple indicators in TradingView basics version. So in a basic version we have only access to the 3 indicators. So if you want to add some more indicators, then you need to pay their monthly subscription. So we are going to show you some of the tips or some of the way that you can copy paste some of the source code from somewhere and add a multiple indicators. So I'm going to share some of the Pine script for adding EMAs, adding SMAs, Fibonacci pivot points plus VWAP indicator. So combining these 4 indicators, we are creating one. So apart from that, you have extra 2 indicators access from the TradingView library. Okay, then let's see and what are the steps to follow to create this indicator. Okay, let's go to the chart. So when you click on the below link that I have mentioned, it's redirected to my Google Drive one file, and what you need to do, you just need to select all this. Okay, select all and copy, go to the TradingView. What we need to do, so after on the screen there is a Pine script editor at the below, right? You just need to click on that, maximize it. So the next thing what you need to do, go to the open new blank indicator, click on the new blank indicator. So it will going to open the script. What you need to do, you just need to delete all these 3 lines and paste the entire code from the file that I have you got from that Google Drive link. Okay, so save this with your indicator name. Okay, EMA, SMA. Okay, save, just minimize it, go to your indicator section here, my script, and your EMA SMA is here. Click on this. Okay, when you click on this, see the entire those codes have been plotted on this chart. So what are the indicators are included in this? First of all, we have email lines, and second thing we have a pivot point, third thing we have a VWAP. Apart from this, we have a SMS, simple moving average. Okay, so how to enable simple moving average and how to disable EMAs, or if you have any partial EMA setting, like you want to use 8 EMA and 21 SMA, how you can do that, I will show you. Okay, for that you just need to go to the Pine script below that. See these are the Pine codes, and give me a sec. Okay, if you want to add some more EMAs, then what you need to do, you just need to copy this line and paste it here. When you paste it here, you just need to change the values for which value EMA you need to add on the screen. For example, you need to add a 13 EMA on the screen, then you just type it. I am using OHLC divided by 4 as a source code. Each and every EMA was going to plot on the close value, but in the previous video I have already told you that why I am using OHLC, because it's give me some more convictions or a smoother way of identifying the trends using those EMAs, right? So I'm very happy to use that because it gives a more sufficient way to the EMAs in a very good sloper mode. It's not like, see, because in a very choppy market, what will going to happen when EMAs we're going to calculate based on the close, so you will see a very fluctuation in the EMA. So I don't want that messy things in trading. So that was I'm using OHLC divided by 4 as a source code. If you don't want, then if you are looking for something which is a complete default, then what you can do, you just remove that OHLC divided by 4, just type close, right? This is a standard EMA. Okay, where you will get each and everywhere. This is a standard EMA, but I do prefer OHLC divided by 4. Okay, So after that, if you don't want this EMA, then what you need to do, you just delete the line. Otherwise, what you can do, that you just click on the at the first line, then type // so it will disable this line, so it will not going to plot the 800 EMA on the screen. So same like that for the below. If you don't want any EMA, you just do one thing, you just click and type // to disable these EMAs. If you want the SMAs, then you just remove the // from the plot line. Okay, so it will going to plot the 8, 21, 50, 200 and 800 so on the chart. So just save it, and here you go. So these are the SMAs. The previous ones are EMAs and these are the SMAs. Okay, and this is how you can add the multiple indicators on the screen. If you have any doubt, then please let me know and type below comments, and we'll try to help you. Okay, this is this is also not for only one time frame or second time. You can change for any time frame. It's not like those indicators will going to apply only for intraday. It's there is no way of using all those sticky ways, right? So this is how exactly it's plotting, because these are the SMA, simple moving average, but I don't prefer the simple moving average on the while trading, so I do prefer only EMAs while trading. So it's depend on you that how your strategies will going to work, and it's up to you that how you are going to take entries and exits. It's depend on your strategy, right? So this is how you can add the multiple indicators in one indicator in TradingView basic version. Okay, so if you need any, apart from this, if you need any help, then please let me know, comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.